In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add calculations in Microsoft Forms. Whether you're a teacher, a student, or someone looking to create quizzes with mathematical elements, learning this feature can be incredibly beneficial. So, let's dive in. First things first, open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Forms. It's important to ensure you're on the right website, so once you see it, go ahead and click on it to access the platform. Once you're on the Microsoft Forms page, you'll need to sign in. If you already have an account with Microsoft, simply enter your credentials and log in. In case you don't have an account, you'll need to create one, which is a straightforward process that just requires some basic information. After signing in, you'll be directed to your Forms dashboard. Here, your attention should be on creating a new quiz. Go ahead and select New Quiz to start the process. Now that we've got a new quiz set up, the next step is to add some content. You'll notice an option to +Add New on your screen. Click this to choose the type of question you'd like to include. For this tutorial, let's select a choice question. This is where you can pose your question and provide the options for answers. It's a versatile question type that works well with numerical calculations. Here's the key step. Look for a toggle labeled Math and turn it on. You might need to scroll or move your mouse over the available options to find it, but it's crucial for incorporating math elements. With the Math toggle activated, a new box will appear on your screen. This is your math workspace, where you can either type in your mathematical expression using your keyboard or utilize the provided math palette for ease and accuracy in your input. Microsoft Forms does something pretty neat here. It suggests possible responses based on the equation you've entered. This makes it easier for you to select which responses you'd like to mark as correct or incorrect, streamlining the quiz creation process. Take a moment to review these suggestions. By selecting the appropriate responses, the platform will automatically configure your quiz settings to recognize the right answers. And there you have it. You've successfully added a calculation to your Microsoft Forms quiz. This feature not only enhances the versatility of your quizzes, but also provides an interactive way for users to engage with mathematical content. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment or reach out to the community for support. Happy form building!